Hello friends. So in this video I'm going to explain what are the loops we can use in the Python programming. So when speaking about loops, we have while loop and for loop. Let me explain what is while loop and for loop, how we can use in this program. So while loop, how the syntax is like, we have to give a while keyword, then a condition. So let in this way. First declare a variable, so now count is equal to 0. Then you can use a while keyword, then give the condition. So like say count is less than 5, then colon. Here you can enter count is count. Then here you can give the condition, so count equal to count plus 1. So in this way you can enter the program. So what is happening? So count is equal to 0. It is checking 0 is less than 5. So the condition is true. It is coming inside and printing the value as 0. The value of count is getting increased. So 0 plus 1, it is 1. So now again it will be going into the while loop. So 1 is less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. It will be printing the value. So until it's going to the value 5. So when it is going to 5, the count of value is 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 is less than 5. It is coming out of the loop. So in this way the while loop is working. So similarly, like if else, we can have the else in while also. So in the same condition we have count is equal to 0. Let us repeat that program. So while, so if you return the value of count, now it is 5 because the last value of the count is 5. So now like say while count is less than 10, let's print the value of the count. So count is count, then you can increase this, count is equal to count plus 1. In this way we can increment the value. Then now you can give the else statement, else print the value count is. So now see what is happening. So the value of count is 5. So it is checking the condition whether 5 is less than 10. Yes, it is true. So it is typing that value 5. Then the value is incrementing to 1. So 6. So until it is coming to 10, the values are getting printed in this first block itself. So when it is coming to 10, that is 10 less than 10. So the condition is false. So it is coming to else loop. So here the value is printed as 10. So in this way else will be working in the while loop. Then the next looping is a for loop. So how we can use the for loop? So we can write in this way. So the for keyword, for letter. Now here the letter will be working as a variable in, let's have a word like Python. We have to end the function with this colon, otherwise it will be showing the syntax error. So here you can print current letters letter. So see here PYTHON. So each letter from this Python is stored in this letter and we are printing that. So in this way we can use the for loop. So not only this string, we can even use a list also. So let's declare one list as fruits. I hope you guys remember how we can access this list. So let's have apple, orange and grapes. So in our fruits box now we are having totally list. So what we are having in fruits, apple, orange and grapes. So now how we can access this list using the for. So for a in the fruits, that is in the fruits list, you can print as fruit is a. So the values are getting displayed here. So the fruit is apple, orange and grapes. So in this way we can use the for loop. And the number of times, say for example here we are having 3 fruits, so you want to repeat it for 3 times. So how you can mention that range? So we can use for loop using the range in this way. So for a in range of length of fruits, so we can print the values as fruit equal to, so now in A we will be having the only the index value, that is 0 1 2. So how we can print those values? So fruits of index value is A, so fruits of A. So in this way we can print the value. So for A in range of length of fruits, so what is the length of fruits? It is 1 2 3. So range will be become like 1 2 3. So for A in that 0 1 2 3, so totally 3 values. So now the fruit will become fruits of 0. 0 is apple, then fruits of 1, that is orange, and then fruits of 2, that is grapes. So in this way we can use the for loop in a normal way and in a iterative way. So thanks for watching this video. In my next video I will be explaining how we can use the break, continue and the pass statement. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.